Welcome back to AutoDriveverse, your trusted destination for all things automotive. Today, we're thrilled to talk about the long-awaited return of a true icon, the 2026 Acura RSX. This modern reincarnation of a beloved early 2000s coupe is turning heads with its aggressive styling, cutting-edge tech, and undeniable performance spirit. From its sleek LED headlights and sculpted side profile to the low-slung, athletic stance, the new RSX looks every bit the modern sports coupe. Built on Acura's next-gen modular platform, it promises a fusion of luxury and agility. It's not just a revival, it's a reinvention aimed at both nostalgia lovers and performance seekers alike. Let's take a closer look at what this comeback coupe is really packing. Step inside the 2026 RSX, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly balances sporty design with premium comfort. The centerpiece is a crisp 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster paired with an 11-inch infotainment touchscreen that's intuitive and sharp. Acura didn't skimp on materials either. You'll find soft touch panels, contrast stitching, and available Alcantara accents in the Type S trim. The sport seats offer impressive lateral support, while still being comfortable for daily drives. Tech-wise, expect wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an ELS Studio Premium sound system as standard features. Though the rear seats are tight, they're usable for short trips or extra gear. Acura has clearly aimed to make the RSX feel more upscale and driver-centric than ever before. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the 2026 RSX truly comes alive. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline, for delivering a healthy 270 horsepower, while the Type S model takes it up a notch with a 320 horsepower VTC-tuned powertrain. Both options can be paired with either a slick-shifting 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, giving drivers the freedom to choose their thrill level. The Type S rockets from 0 to 60 in under 5.5 seconds, making it a serious threat to its rivals. Acura's dual-axis front suspension, precision all-wheel steering, and adaptive dampers ensure the RSX handles corners with absolute confidence. Add in a dual-mode exhaust system that lets the engine roar when needed, and you've got a coupe that's as fun as it is fast. On the road, the RSX delivers an experience that's both engaging and refined. Steering is sharp and responsive, providing excellent feedback whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising open highways. Around town, the RSX feels surprisingly smooth, thanks to its adaptive suspension and improved chassis tuning. Highway driving is equally pleasant, with minimal road noise and advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring making long trips more relaxed. The RSX's compact size makes it easy to maneuver and park in urban settings, and fuel economy is solid. Expect around 28 mpg combined on the base engine, slightly less for the performance-focused Type S. It's a coupe that fits into daily life without losing its edge. So, what's the final word on the 2026 Acura RSX? In our book, it's a hit. Acura has managed to resurrect a legendary nameplate and evolve it for a new generation of drivers. With bold looks, a refined interior, engaging performance, and real-world usability, the RSX is a rare mix of sport and sensibility. It's a car that appeals to your inner enthusiast without compromising on modern comfort or tech. Starting at an estimated $34,000, it offers impressive value for what it delivers. Whether you're an RSX fan from the old days or new to the badge, this is a car that deserves your attention. Thanks for tuning in to AutoDriveverse. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next ride.